weird all the time, and it should be followed by the buddy system, and those will be the recommendations, Chairman.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and toxic gas detection.
Yeah, sure. So, guys, just we are putting one, but we are going to put some recommendation. And environment maybe one, not much thing. Asset maybe one. Reputation can impact. We have four, and C. It is MAH. So standard code and practice will be there. MOC selection is there. Routine inspection is there. Crash
And
guard will be there.
is HAZAP is planned for this?
We'll see. We'll see. We'll put here.
Yes, sir.
Hedgehog for the skid should be there. Hedgehog for skid should be there.
No, but for the skid should be there. The skid schematic should be finalized, right? Otherwise, the vendor on which vendor package will do the HAZAP? Is it planned for this project?
Yes, sir. Package 3 we have HAZAP. Okay.
HAZAP, huh? Okay,
Yes.
no problem. But it's not done, right? It's planned.
Yes, sir. It's not.
Yeah, next week.
So crash guard, vehicle speed control, speed limit. And
I don't think
glass
so.
kit.
We have crash guard for this analyzer kit. Are we providing any crash guards?
So Sudeep, regarding the
Piping?
layout, if these roads are, if this layout and proposed location is nearby the road, are you going to propose the crash guard? Yes or no?
Santoshji, this is nearby road. This
No,
plot
no,
plan.
this is not nearby road. Let me share my screen if you want to see the location.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Quickly.
shows the accessibility and all those stuff. Just quickly.
So this is the existing pig launchers, sorry, receivers, and this is the location near to this existing pipe rack.
Okay, this is between two
So it's not,
pipelines, right?
yeah. So not
But
required.
just
And
Chairman, check.
fencing is there
Fence
all
there.
around the.
Yeah.
Oh, it is under fence.
Under fence.
Chairman,
Yes.
actually here the team, suddenly we are doing one more project. You see space for future pig receiver, right? You
Yes,
see on the clouded. So currently we are doing this project only as a tie-in, that is for P5. So there's a gas, we can call it as Southeast Gas Diversion Project. So check this location of the analyzer because it is clashing with that one. Because
no, sir. This we have already checked with the interface drawing from the company side, and this we have considered maximum